But that first 75-day part of this challenge is how I lost 18 pounds and have been keeping it off. Welcome to 75 Hard Phase 1. I'm gonna be honest. This morning, I thought of all of the reasons not to start today. I'll just wait till my period's over. No. I didn't get up early enough. No. I'm gonna wait till I fix my eyelashes.
Tell me about it.
No, no, no. If you have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about, you're probably gonna wanna go watch my How I Lost 18 Pounds in 2 Months video. It's kinda like the prequel to this one. I'm assuming every single one of you saw that video though. So I am starting phase 2 of that challenge. And this time, I wanna let you in on the process a little bit more, because I feel like I wasn't able to fully explain what this challenge is in a little 20-minute video. It's not a weight loss program. It is a mental toughness challenge. Extreme fat loss is just a really great side effect that I experienced. The good news is 75 Hard was 75 days long. This one's only 30 days long. The bad news is it's a lot harder. Did I mention this challenge is free? Yeah, it's free. Nobody's selling you anything. There's no prizes at the end. The only catch is if you mess up on any of the rules, you have to start over on day 1. You can go to 75hard.com for details. I'll link it down below, but this phase 1 that I'm doing is actually the second part of the 75 Hard challenge, which is kind of confusing, I know. And there is also a phase 2 and 3 for the brave of heart. But that first 75-day part of this challenge is how I lost 18 pounds and have been keeping it off. Like I said, the purpose of this challenge is not to lose weight, but I'm assuming my weight loss results with it is what inspired so many of you to watch that video and even start the challenge yourself. This challenge is designed to rewire your brain so that you can do hard things and maintain the results that you worked so hard for. Exhibit A, I ended 75 Hard a month and a half ago, and I'm starting exactly where I left off with it. Weight is obviously a good standard unit of measurement that we can all relate to, so that's why I'm throwing this in there. But whatever that number on the scale is, it is not a bad number. We're just using it to track progress. Okay, that being said, in particular, this VitaGoods body analyzer is the best, most useful tool I could possibly recommend to you because it's not just a normal scale. I've been using mine for years now. You can probably see it's very well loved. A little scratched up. There are so many great things about this. It holds up to 8 profiles where you can put your specific information. It gives you incredible data, everything from body weight, body fat, water weight, muscle mass. I just feel like the actual number on the scale doesn't mean anything unless you can figure out what of that is actual muscle, fat, and what's just water. This scale uses an undetectable electric current that shoots through your body. You don't feel it. That sounded scary. But that is transmitted throughout your body and gathers the data. So if you have just been using an ordinary scale, or if you have been paying somebody to get expensive scans done, you need to get this scale. I'm gonna link it right down below at the top of the description box. And they sent me a code for you guys. You can use code HOPE50 for 60% off. That's $50 off this little guy. Okay, back to the video. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Do you wanna pick a gym outfit for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Legging shelves 2.0 are done. Tyler, you can't just pick me a legging. Where's the rest of the outfit?
It's the only part I know how to pick.
Do you want the matching sports bra?
Yeah.
He picked literally the boldest legging in my whole collection. It's literally like underwear with tights over them. Rule number 1's a gallon of water. Tips for how to drink a gallon of water in a day. 1, start early. I feel like that's when your body needs it the most, is when you first wake up, so it's a lot easier to drink it in the morning. I always try to get at least 50 ounces in before I'm done with my morning workout, because that's the other time that it's the easiest, is while you're working out. But would you want to like at least pick me out a sweatshirt to wrap around my waist? Because these leggings are literal underwear. Okay, ready. Oh, look at my dog. Isn't he precious? All right, I just chugged 20 ounces of water. I'm gonna bring this guy to the gym. This is 67 ounces of water. A gallon is 128. Oh, other tip for drinking a lot of water, get a big jug or water bottle. It's a lot easier to fill this thing up 2.5 times than it is to take a little 12-ounce bottle and fill it up 10 times. Another tip, because I was not a water drinker before I started this at all. I hated the taste of it. So I would get the sugar-free Crystal Light packs and put it in my big jug and just drink lemonade all day. You are gonna pee a lot. Yes, it gets better though. Second rule of both 75 Hard and phase 1. 2 workouts a day that are 45 minutes each. I feel like people really overthink this part. So I do my like regular training in the morning, go to the gym, do my weights. For my second workout, I usually go on a walk, do yoga. It doesn't have to be like the most strenuous workout ever. The 2 workouts a day is more the mental toughness than it is the physical toughness. It's just getting your body moving for 45 minutes when you really don't want to. I recommend having either a trainer or some sort of program to follow. I did a trainer while I was doing 75 hard. This time I'm following a program called BodyBoss. If you've ever messaged me and asked for a suggestion for a program, I'm gonna sound like a broken record here because this is the one I always suggest. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I did this 2 years ago and I got in literally the best shape of my life. The workouts are super fun, really fast paced. I think there's only 5 days a week in this book, so I'm gonna do my own thing for the other 2 days. But it just gives you a little bit of structure. This program is perfect if you're a beginner, perfect if you don't go to the gym because it's pretty much all body weight stuff. And there's a good amount of cardio in it, which is what I want. If you're interested in this program, it's on Amazon, so I'm gonna link it down below for you. If you're not interested in it, please enjoy this pirated workout that I'm gonna give to you right now. So I'm gonna do a 10-minute cardio warm-up. This can be literally anything: walking, running, Stairmaster. I generally pick the Stairmaster. And then the book also comes with some little stretches that you can run through before you start. And then the remainder of this workout is just one big HIIT circuit. The entire circuit takes about 7 minutes to get through, and you do it 3 times. The first move in this circuit are side jacks. You're gonna do 40 of these, so 20 on each side. Second are push-ups on an incline, and you're gonna do 30 of them. The more upright you are, the easier these are gonna be. 3 is 40 ab bikes, 20 on each side. All of these moves seem really easy, but trust me, by the second round, you're gonna be dead. 4 is 25 tricep dips. You can straighten your legs if you wanna make it harder, but trust me, 25 of these is rough. 5 are plank dips. 6 are a bicep curl shoulder press combination, 30 total. It recommends 2 to 4 pounds, and they're not messing around about that. I only use 2.5s and it burns. And then last are side shuffles, and you're going to do 30 total of these, or until you hit the 7-minute mark for the circuit. You do rest for 3 minutes before you start the circuit over again. And then I ended the workout with another 10-minute cardio, and that's it.
Leo, do you want to go on a walk? You haven't even been on a walk in your new town yet.
All right, so that's gonna be workout number 2. But I need to eat something. I'm not a big breakfast eater, but I'm at least gonna get a protein shake in. There's only 1 scoop left.
That's what I've been telling you for a week, babe.
What about my pumpkin? Okay, we're getting more protein. What? Free t-shirt.
I'll take it. What do you want, lemon small?
Protein, banana, cup, milk. Tyler actually introduced me to this protein. Tyler actually introduced me to all of this. I wouldn't even know about 75 if it weren't for him. But this is the supplement company that Andy, who created the program, he and his family owns. So I said to myself, hey, I got really good results from that 75 hard program. I'm gonna see what this guy's supplements are all about. And so far, I really, really like them. Not just because they taste good. My favorite thing about this protein is it doesn't make you bloated. Most protein does, but it's super easy to digest. What processing? You wanna come teach them it?
So it's low temperature processed, which basically means most supplement companies, when they're actually making the ingredients for the proteins, they make them at a really, really high temperature, and the high temperature basically scorches the nutrients and destroys any nutritional value. So this is all done at low temperature processing, so you can actually get some actual nutrients from the stuff that's in it, unlike a lot of the other stuff that just like basically destroys it.
So if you want some protein that's not burnt, the link's gonna be down below. I'm gonna get more into like my diet, because that is a rule. You gotta follow a diet in a second, but I'm gonna take Leo on a walk. Wait,
Buddy, you ready to go?
why are you so cute? Wanna stand on it? Wow, good job. Woo. All right, now time for the part of phase 1. That was the reason I didn't want to do phase 1. 5-minute cold shower. Can't be a cold tub, which makes sense because the longer you lay in it, the warmer it gets, and you want it to be cold the whole 5 minutes. But he did say, take your normal shower is what he recommends, warm, and then slowly turn it into cold. And then once it's all the way down, just stand there for 5 minutes. I don't really know what the purpose of it is. Do you know what the purpose of it is?
Science. You guys ready? What? All right, so the science is you're supposed to focus on me. You're supposed to get the like feeling. You know how when you jump into like cold water, like in a lake or something like that? When that happens, all of your blood leaves your extremities and goes to your vital organs because your body's basically like it's trying to survive in survival mode. Let's start that over. I did a bad job. Look at him over there, Lee. So when that happens, the blood actually purges the toxins out of your organs. I take cold showers every once in a while, but it's mainly more like a recovery muscle thing. So with the combination of like the more difficult exercises and stuff, the cold water actually helps you recover more quickly. That's the science behind it.
Yeah. Good job. I did it. Oh my gosh. I was literally like convulsing the whole time. I had all of my body in the cold water except the back of my head. Cause look, Andy, I'm all for mental toughness, but blow drying my hair every single day, that's a mental toughness challenge I don't want to participate in. Oh, I just picked at my face and now it's all red. Next rule, progress picture. Okay, this sounds easy, but this is the rule that I think a lot of people mess up on because it's the easiest to forget. So I've seen a lot of people just do like a mirror selfie as their progress picture every day, but we do like a full on in your undies front side back view. Cause I feel like it's harder to forget when it's a big production like that. Cause I mean, your stuff like drinking a gallon of water, 2 workouts, you're not gonna be like, did I do that today? But if you're not careful, the picture can be that way. For 75 hard, I thought it'd be a good idea to try to take a picture in the exact same pair of underwear every time. That didn't really work out. But I want to at least take the picture before and the final after in the same undies. Next rule. This one's new to phase 1. 3 critical power tasks. These are supposed to not be goals, but actual tasks that you're going to do during the day to get you closer to, what was it?
Yeah, so Andy said that the main mistake people make on the power list task is that they set them as their goals. So, for example, if you had a goal of losing 10 pounds, let's say, you're not going to write down on a power list task to lose 10 pounds because you're not going to lose 10 pounds in a day. But you can write down, prep my meal plan get my meal plan set up for the week or something like that.
That was only 1. You have to do 3.
Yeah.
They're all top secret?
Yeah.
They're no fun. Hi. A couple hours have passed, as you can probably tell, but the good news is I got all of my power task things done. Got all my meals in. Okay, speaking of meals, follow a diet is of course one of the rules. That was a rule in 75 hard. It's still a rule in this phase. And this is the rule that I think that most people get hung up on. They start to focus so much on the details of it that they never actually start the challenge. There is no set diet that everybody is following. You can do Weight Watchers, you can do keto, you can do whatever you want, as long as it's a diet that pushes you. For me, it's pretty much macro based. So I'm trying to hit a set amount of calories, carbs, protein, fat. I like to do it that way because then I still get to eat all the food that I like. I don't have to cut out like an entire food group or anything, but I am cutting out treats, desserts, candy, which is hard for me, okay? And also all soda. And it's just a personal goal of mine to try to go out to eat less. I've been getting some questions about what my exact diet is. I feel weird like telling you what my calories are because just because I'm eating a certain amount of calories doesn't mean you need to. I probably will do more videos soon here that include like what I eat in a day type stuff if you're interested though. And then of course another rule is no cheat meals. So no meal that deviates from that diet plan. And no alcohol, which I don't drink anyway. So. Okay, I'm gonna get ready for bed and then I only have 2 things left for the day.
Look at him, my little cutie.
Okay, I'm ready for bed. Well, I'm sorry, that's your tail, I'm sorry. Last 2 things on the list. Gotta read 10 pages of a book. Has to be a book, can't be an audiobook. I ordered one a couple weeks ago that I wanted to read and then we moved and then I lost it. But I'm gonna read this one. We went to a conference last week and heard her speak. It was really good, so I'm gonna read her book. It's called Everything is Figure-Outable. And then the very last thing is 10 minutes of visualization. I'm choosing to do this at the end of the day. In my opinion, visualization is just like a personal thing, how you wanna do it without getting too weird. I'm just gonna say it works. All right, here's the mistake that I made today that I'm not gonna make tomorrow. We started a little late in the day. So we're gonna try to get up at like 4 or 5 tomorrow morning. Because it would just be so nice to have both workouts done before like 7 or 8 so you can just kind of get on with your day and not worry about them. I guess the last thing I want to say is I almost feel like challenge is the wrong word for this program. When I think of challenge, I think of like a sprint and then you're like, oh, that was hard, and then you go back to whatever you were doing before. But that's not what this is. If you do it, you will not go back to what you did before. A lot of people think it sounds so hard, and it is. It's difficult, but it's meant to be almost kind of like a lifestyle. Like, this is something that if you wanted to, you could do it every single year. So if you've been wanting to start, yes, you can. You can do it. I don't think you'll regret it as long as you stick with it and do it right. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed because it's midnight and 4 a.m. is gonna come real soon here. But Leo and I will see you guys in the next video.
Say bye, YouTube.